You step into clarity, strength, and freedom. That product start with boundaries. Boundaries are not walls, they are gates. They are the clear signals you send to the world about what you allow and what you do not. When you don't set boundaries, people will consume your time, your peace, and your spirit. Not out of malice, but because you didn't tell them where the line was. Boundaries are how you teach others to respect you, they're how you teach yourself to prioritize you. And when you do it, something powerful happens. You stop running on fumes and you start operating from abundance. You stop being pulled in 100 directions and you start moving deliberately toward what matters. Now, let's talk about distractions. The world we live in is designed to steal your attentions, notifications, trends, constant comparisons. They are thieves of focus. Every time you allow for yourselves to be consumed by them, you are handing over pieces of your destiny. Protecting your energy means becoming ruthless with your attention. It means asking yourself daily, does this add to my life or does it take from it? If it adds, lean in. If it takes, let it go. Because what you give your attention to grows, and if you are not careful, you will spend your entire life watering someone else's garden while your own dreams wither. Protecting your energy also means protecting your environment. The people around you either elevate you or drain you. You know exactly who I am talking about. Those who always bring negativity, who always makes drama, those always want more than they give, and there are those rare ones. The ones who inspire you, who challenge you, who remind you of your worth. Choose wisely. Your circle is either your cage or your wings, and you cannot sure if you are keen who thrive. Protecting your energy means having the courage to walk away from those who deplete you, even if they have been in your life of years, for years, and finally, protecting your energy means protecting your self talk. What you say to yourself when no one is listening shapes your reality more than anything else. If you are constantly telling yourself you're not enough, that you're behind, that you don't measure up, you're draining yourself from the inside out. Protecting your energy means feeding yourself with truth. And the truth is this, you are capable, you are worthy, and you have every right to take up space in this world. Energy protection is not only about what comes in from the outside but also what flows from within. When you master both, you step into power that is unshakable. So, hear me clearly. Protecting your energy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It is the foundation upon which everything else is built. You cannot chase your goals, you cannot build your vision, you cannot rise to your full potential if you are constantly drained, distracted, and depleted. The moment you decide to guard your mind, your time, and your peace like they are scared treasure, is the moment your life begins to transform. Because energy, once preserved and directed, becomes unstoppable force. And that force, it is the engine of your destiny. Protect your energy, protect your life. The world doesn't need a weaker, watered down version of you. It needs the fullest, fiercest, most powerful version of you. And that only shows up when you choose yourself first. Comparison is poison. It's silent, it's subtle, and it seeps into your life without warning. You pick up your phone, you scroll for just a few minutes, and suddenly you feel behind. You see someone with the perfect body, the perfect career, the perfect life, and you start questioning your own worth. You begin to shrink, not because you lack ability, not because you are allowed yourself to measure your life against a highlight reel that was never meant to be yours. This is how comparison kills, slowly, invisibly. or making you forget that your journey was never supposed to look like anyone else's. You see, comparison thrives on one lie that someone else's success somehow diminishes. That if they have more, you must have less. That if they rise, you fall. But life doesn't work that way. Their lane is not your lane. Their path is not your path. And if you keep looking sideways, you will trip in your own race. You can't win your marathon by starting at another runner. You win by focusing on your stride. You pace your strength. The moment you start measuring your progress against someone else's timeline is the moment you free yourself to move at the speed of your own destiny. And let's be honest, comparison is not just about envy, sometimes it disguises itself as motivation. You see someone further, I should be there by now. But instead of fueling you, it drains you because the truth is, you are trying to fight that was never meant to you. Your life has its own way. There are lessons, timing you are meant to honor. What looks like delay is other operation, preparation. What looks like failure is often foundation. But if you compare your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 20, you will miss the beauty of this story being written for you. The real danger of comparison is that it blinds you to your own gift. While you are staring at someone else's shine, you're dimming your own. Keep in that